Open the upper buckle and attach it to the engine guard and adjust the belt. Loop the bag strap around the engine guard as in the video. Pass the straps through the rear loops. Tie the belt around the engine guard on both sides. Insert the straps in the side loops. Insert the straps in the front loops. Hooks the straps into their own clips. The excess of the upper strap can be rolled up and secured with the Velcro strap. Unhook and lift the motorbike seat. Run the straps under the saddle. Pass the strap through all the loops of the bag as shown in the video. For safe water security, turn the buckle over at least 3 times and tighten.